When your equipment demands reliable, organized connectivity, a custom wire harness assembly is the answer. At Circuit Assembly, we engineer and manufacture solutions built for rugged performance and seamless integration. A wire harness assembly is more than just a bundle of wires. It is an engineered system of wires, terminals, and connectors that transmit signals or electrical power throughout complex machinery, streamlining assembly and optimizing space for original equipment manufacturers. Our advanced facilities use automated wire cutting, stripping, and crimping for precision. Soldering terminals ensure strength and conductivity. Custom braiding and looming protect wires from abrasion and vibration. Every harness undergoes in-process checks and a 100% final electrical test for continuity and integrity. Our ISO 9001:2015 and AS9100D certification ensures zero-defect reliability for demanding industries. We meet each industry's unique challenges with proven durability and performance. Ready to streamline your project? Contact us today, and don't forget to like and follow.